Hey guys, once again it is time to get your Ariens zero-turn lawnmower out of storage so you can use it this spring. But before you use it, you want to make sure that you went through all the maintenance that's outlined in your operator's manual. And for your convenience, we threw together a very high-level blog and an overview on spring maintenance items for your Ariens zero-turn lawnmower. You can find that right now on ariens.com. Included in that blog is an overview of how to remove the mowing deck from your Ariens zero-turn lawnmower. And today we're going to actually show you how to do that in the video. So why would you do that? It's actually really important, and you want to make sure that you get it done so you can clean underneath the deck. Cutting decks that are left uncleaned can be problematic, and this is why. All that grass, dirt, and debris buildup underneath there can harbor moisture, fungus, and bacteria, and this can damage your lawn, it can damage your cutting deck, and it's just not good. And also all that grass buildup around your discharge chute is going to affect the ability of your Ariens zero-turn mower to discharge grass clippings evenly. And last but not least, it's going to disrupt the aerodynamics of your cutting deck. The deck is actually designed to work with the blades to lift grass so you get a nice even quality of cut when cutting, but if you have so much debris buildup underneath there, it's going to disrupt it and you're not going to get that quality of cut. So be sure to follow us along as we go through a deck removal procedure on an Ariens IKON XL. Park your unit on a flat level surface and raise the mower deck to the highest position. Then place supports such as wood beams under each side of the mower deck. Position the mower deck at its lowest cutting height. Remove hardware retaining the left belt cover to the unit and remove the belt cover. Gently pull the PTO belt away from the left spindle pulley. Remove the PTO belt from around the clutch pulley. Remove the hardware retaining the drag links to the frame and remove the left and right drag links from the frame. Remove the hardware retaining the deck links and remove the deck links from all four corners of the deck lift. Carefully remove each support from under the mower deck and gently lower the deck to the workspace surface. Turn the caster wheel out of the way and remove the deck from under the unit. Alright guys, now that you have the decks completely removed, you will need to remove all of the blades before you actually proceed and clean that deck. If you're uncomfortable doing this step on your own, you can take your deck over to your Ariens dealer. They can help you out, guys. They can hook you up right. And actually, this is a great opportunity to look at these blades from last year. Check these out. These are super dull, they're dirty, they're rusted. They're not going to be effective giving you a good quality of cut this season, so this is a great time to either sharpen them or replace them. And again, if you're uncomfortable doing that step by yourself, rely on your local Ariens dealer, guys. They will help you out with whatever you're going to need. Push the deck back under the mower frame so the deck lift brackets align with the deck lifts. Position the supports back under each side of the mower deck. Reinstall all four deck lift links onto the deck lift and secure with the original plastic washer and hairpin. Reinstall the drag links into the mower frame and secure with the original hairpins. Reinstall the PTO belt around the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit. Reinstall the PTO belt around the spindle pulley. Ensure the PTO belt is aligned in all pulleys and reinstall the belt cover. Secure the belt cover to the mower deck with the original hardware. Return the deck to its highest cutting position. Remove the supports from underneath the mower deck. Hey guys, as you can see, this was a pretty easy procedure to do, but as always, before doing any service, you'll want to refer to the instructional details in your operator's manual for your unit before performing any of this stuff, and make sure you read the safety section as well to make sure that you're doing the procedure safely. You know, we talked about blades earlier. This is also a great opportunity to check the belts of your unit, make sure they're not worn or broken or cracked or whatever. You know, with any spring maintenance, whether it's replacing belts, blades, oils, lubricants, engineer filters, oil filters, you name it. You can get the parts from your local Ariens dealer. They will help you out with whatever you need, or you can source the parts online from parts.ariens.com and we'll ship it directly to your house.